go to the mall? Yeah, you want to drive the cars at the mall. Okay, let's go. Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in Iceland, and by beautiful, I mean cold and overcast. I'm on mom duty today, and so I thought it would be fun to take you along with us for one of our little city trips. You guys have been loving the vlogs where we just kind of show you what we're up to. So today we are going to Kringlan, which is one of the main malls here in Reykjavik. Since it might be fun to see the stores that we have and the food court and how expensive things are and everything like that. So that's what we're doing today. When I say mall, my son says he wants to go ride the cars at the mall, so we will also be doing that. It's gonna be a fun day and I'll take you along with us, so let's get into it. Always surprised at how busy the mall is. A lot of people like to spend their free time here, so good people watching. Okay, I just picked up some cough drops at the pharmacy, but just to give you a little overview, this is a typical pharmacy in Iceland, and that's actually a very large pharmacy, so they have everything that you would need, you know, personal care items, but this is where you go as well if you need some medicine, because they don't give medicine over the counter, even ibuprofen, and so this is where you would get your stuff. So for shopping, this mall actually has a lot and a big selection of kind of everything. So you have some nice clothing stores. You have Vinbúðin, which is the liquor store. Hagkaup down at the end, which is like as close as you'll get to Target in Iceland. A4 is like a office supply store. The pharmacy, the kids play area, shoe stores. There's a lot. So we're gonna walk a little bit because I need to get a few different things, and we'll show you around the food court and everything like that. Oh yeah, a huge H&M at the end as well. All right, I need some new coffee, so we're gonna head into the Nespresso store, one of my favorite places. Alright, 3 sleeves of coffee, 2,600 kroner, which is about $23 US. Other things here is like an Apple store. It's not a true Apple store, but they sell Apple products. Lots of children's clothing store here, which is really nice. They have cafes. There's a gym in here. There are beauty services, nail salons, eye doctor, everything like that. So you can see there's a lot of people here. All right, here is the lovely food court at the Kringlan shopping mall. So what do we have? This is Serrano, which is Iceland's version of Chipotle / not as good. This is burgers, Domino's pizza, Subway, Sbarro pizza, Rikki-chan, which is looks like Chinese fast food, and then this is Finnsson Bistro, which is more of like a sit-down place. Down here we have Joe and the Juice as well. They make smoothies, sandwiches, and coffee. And that's the food court. And so not a ton of options. Another fun thing to know is this is a place behind the food court that's called Adventureland. And they're only open for a few hours every day, but you can actually drop your kids off here if you have kids. I think they have to be 3 or older to be unsupervised. You just drop them off and pay a little bit of money, and then they can play around. There's like a ball pit and a climbing area and all that fun stuff. So Adventureland. Just looking at some prices, one slice of pizza here is going to be about 900 kroner, so about $6, $7. A meal here is going to be about 1,600 kroner or 2,000 kroner, which is, you know, anywhere from 15 to 20 US dollars. So it's not cheap. Also, if you need some coffee, there is a place called Tea and Coffee. I know there's another cafe downstairs as well. So, you know, coffees, looks like they have little pastries and stuff like that. Nail salon. And actually over here is a movie theater. So if you feel like you want to catch a movie in Iceland, this is a pretty big movie theater called Sambioin. So a burrito slash bowl at Serrano is going to be around, looks like 16 to 2,000 kroner as well. So it's hard pressed to find something that's under $15 for food in Iceland. Subway might be your exception. I know that like a 6-inch sub is about 1,000 kroner, so that might be your cheapest meal. A couple more restaurants. Here is a sushi place, Alibaba. They even have a bonus, like a full bonus inside of Kringlan, and I actually need to grab one quick ingredient for dinner, so we are in luck. There's even an entire world class, which is a fitness center. So if you need to exercise while you're at the mall, you can come here. So we could easily spend hours here, but since it is the late afternoon and almost dinner time, we are just gonna hit up the kids' play area and then head home. But the nice thing is, there's just lots of stuff to do. You could, like, you know, do a little shopping, do a little eating, do a little playing with your kids if you need, and then be on your way. So actually, my little secret is this is where we go sometimes when the weather is really bad. Like if we need to get out of the house, this is a little gem. Englabertnen is a pretty popular kids store here, as well as Lindex. They have lots of different options for kids in there, so check those places out. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful. I know you have been loving the kind of day-to-day vlogs, so I'm here to make them for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video, but until then, happy planning.